Hey, how's it going? Jesse here, and today I want to talk about the new blow dryer from Gamma. And how it compares to one of the leading brands of blow dryers, the Dyson. Okay, so let's try out the Dyson first. I know it has a couple of scratches, it looks pretty beat up, but I promise you, it's gonna perform well. Anyways, here we go. So we turn this on, and I'm just gonna try and hit the fan as good as I can because this one is a little different. You know, the air comes out through these little vents right here, and it's gonna be kind of hard to nail it. And I think that's where the difference is, where this one, you know, it's a wider fan compared to the Gamma, where it's more narrow, so it's a lot more concentrated, right? So I don't know if that's going to take a factor where it's going to seem stronger since it's more concentrated in the middle, but I guess we're just going to have to find out and see, right? So let's try out this Dyson first and see how it performs. I think I've seen 70 miles an hour at 70 Celsius. That's pretty fast. I don't know if it was the angle, but we're gonna try it again with the Gamma. Let's start it. Okay, we got it all the way up to 80 miles an hour. You know what? After all these tests, I really feel like the Gamma is a little quicker. A little is stronger, in my opinion. You know, I rest my case. So there you have it. I'm not saying it's better than the Dyson. All I'm saying is stronger. I'm not sure what the price is. You know, this was actually a gift from Gamma and Stylecraft themselves. So there you have it. Seems like this one's a little stronger by a hair. So if you had that doubt which hair dryer was quicker, we solved it today. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching and stay tuned. I should fuck her in the Benz.